The digestive system is made up of the digestive tract, a series of hollow organs joining a long twisting tube from the mouth to the anus and other organs that help the body break down and absorb food. The digestive process begins in the mouth. Food is partially broken down by the process of chewing and by the chemical action of salivary enzymes. After being chewed and swallowed, the food enters the esophagus. The esophagus is a long tube that runs from the mouth to the stomach. It uses rhythmic, wave-like muscle movements to force food from the throat into the stomach. These muscle movements give us the ability to eat or drink even when we are upside down. The stomach is a large, sac-like organ that churns the food and bathes it in a very strong acid, gastric acid. Food in the stomach that is partly digested and mixed with the stomach acids is called chyme. After being in the stomach, food enters the duodenum, the first part of the small intestine. It then enters the duodenum and the ileum. In the small intestine, bile, producing the liver and storing the gallbladder, pancreatic enzymes and other digestive enzymes produced by the inner wall of the small intestine helping in the breakdown of food. After passing through the small intestine, food passes into the large intestine. In the large intestine, some of the water and electrolytes are removed from the food. Many microbes in the large intestine help in the digestion process. The first part of the large intestine is called the cecum. Food then travels over in the ascending colon. The food travels across the abdomen in the transverse colon and goes back down the other side of the body in the ascending colon, and then through the sigmoid colon. Solid waste is then stored in the rectum until it is excreted via the anus. The part of the body that contains the digestive organs. In human beings, this is between the diaphragm and the pelvis. A small sac located on the cecum. The part of the large intestine that runs upwards. It is located after the cecum. The first part of the large intestine, the appendix, is connected to the cecum. Food in the stomach that is partly digested and mixed with the stomach acid. Chyme goes on the small intestine for further digestion. The last part of the small intestine before the large intestine begins. Glands located in the mouth that produce saliva. Saliva contains enzymes that break down carbohydrates into smaller molecules. The part of the large intestine between the descending colon and the rectum. The part of the large intestine that runs horizontally across the abdomen. Rhythmic muscle movements that force food in the esophagus from the throat into the stomach. An enzyme producing gland located below the stomach and above the intestines.